You are not going to
Let me get my fucking dog!
You are not going to walk over.
He's gonna start fighting everybody! Let me get my dog!
Hello everyone. Today we're taking an objective look at some body-worn camera footage recorded on June 21st, 2020. In this clip, we observe an interaction between a police officer and an individual that escalates, leading the officer to take specific actions to regain control of the scene. The purpose of this video is to provide a factual breakdown of the events as they unfold. Let's take a look.
Let me get my fucking dog!
You are not going to walk over.
He's gonna start fighting everybody! Let me get my dog! Let me
Get on the ground!
fucking dog!
Get on the
I'm
ground!
not a risky shit! Fuck, I'm not.
Get on the ground! Get on the ground! Get on the ground! Stay down! Don't move! You stay down! Don't move! You get up! You are going to get tased again! Do you understand me? You stay down!
Getting my dog!
Roll over onto your stomach!
I was getting my
Put your hands behind your back! Move!
I won't, sir. I won't. I won't move.
Dog, put your...
Please, I don't want you guys to shoot him or anything.
We're not going to shoot your dog.
God
Knock it
damn
off.
it! You guys, I didn't do shit. I was trying to get my dog so he wouldn't attack
I've got the male in
you.
custody. We're...
Rod, did you see that shit? I was trying to help
The dog bit you?
Ron, can you call Zoe?
She's a cop?
970
We've got the...
970.
also.
No.
Yeah, 195 would the adult male.
Dude, she's on the ramp. My God. This is a joke.
Yep. Hey,
This
we cannot do this.
970-820-78.
90 custody. We're...
Dude, just stay away from him, please. Please. If you put my dog inside, he will stop.
Stop.
Choke my dog.
I'm not choking.
Yes,
I'm a
you are.
canine officer, dude.
Damn it.
Jeez Louise. Can you get your feet out of the way? Can you get your feet out of the way? Go, boys. Go, boys.
Just shut the door, please.
There you go. Dog's in.
Thank you.
You're welcome, sir.
No wonder why you guys get a bad rap. You fucking pushed me for no reason.
Shut
I had
your
no
mouth.
fucking whippets.
You are under arrest.
For what?
Obstructing and resisting
I didn't
arrest.
obstruct nothing. I was trying to help you.
Stop.
Jesus fucking Christ.
Stop.
Get your
Roll
captain.
on your side.
Can you please get your captain?
Yeah, they're all coming, dude.
Thank you.
Chill out.
Thank you. You're being a real asshole to me.
I am?
I didn't do shit to
Look
you.
at yourself,
I was trying to
bro.
get my dog. You threw me on the ground because I didn't want you guys to hurt my dog. Asshole, look at my record.
Stop.
Thank you. And you don't have to step on me like that.
I'm not stepping on you.
You just stepped on my skin.
Oh my gosh, get over yourself.
I'm not getting over myself.
Stop
Quit being so
crying.
fucking rough, man.
I'm pulling your probes out.
I
Chill out.
appreciate it.
Jesus.
Fucking A, man.
You're like a child.
Can I please get up?
No.
Oh, you're a fuck.
Hang out with this dude for a sec.
Okay, run 820. I'm sorry, 970.
Let's get him in.
823.
Okay.
Can I get on myself before you pull me? Please!
Then stand up.
You're pulling me! This is a
Jesus.
fucking joke!
You are ridiculous.
You are! The way you fucking just
Shut your
treated me?
mouth. Spread your feet. And I haven't searched it.
I have nothing. My God.
Like, I believe you, dude.
I did. Yeah, right. That's why you're searching me, right?
Yeah, because I don't believe you.
Fucking joke. I would like to speak to your chief,
You can
please.
speak to them all. You're not going to speak to
Please.
Chief.
I would like to speak
Chief
to your
doesn't
chief,
care what you
please.
have to say.
I did absolutely nothing to you guys. I didn't even threaten you.
Okay, well, you're going to go to jail. You're going to jail.
For what?
Obstructing and resisting.
I didn't obstruct nothing,
Here's my
dude. Oh my God. Can I get my Cubs hat, please? Can you put it on my porch, please?
Yeah, we'll cut the horse. 6 feet in there. Double check those cuffs.
I'm not an asshole, you guys. Look at my fucking record. Can you please just give me a little bit for me?
195. I don't know if we're still on emergency, but you can release the channel. We're code 4 on scene. Didn't mean to throw that in the trash. Wood's glasses are smashed. Haven't got bit by a dog.
There's we got manuals coming. There's a taser cartridge right there.
That's my taser cartridge.
Bigger. And then, what do you need? How about that?
If you want to talk to that person, see if he's willing to give us a statement.
Sure, absolutely.
Yeah, we're good.
Glasses? I'm good.
They're broken, bud. Sorry.
You want some hand sanitizer?
I should
No, he's finger.
I'll just wait till the gets here and I'll just get an alcohol wipe real quick and then turn it in. Yeah, that wipes in my cardio on board.
We're gonna need to see if that dog's current on rabies. If not, you need to start a rabies regimen. That was a mean little.
Yeah, it was used just here, and then I don't know. It was biting my neck and shit when I was telling.
Grabbed the dog and then I got it and I was holding it and I turned and nipped my finger and then I had it.
I reeled him in.
I know, I saw you grabbed by the neck.
Okay, we're going in the house.
I want to walk over with the dog and have it by him.
All right. Oh, do we have an ambulance responding here?
Yes.
Yes.
Why?
For the taser
For the taser
deployment?
deployment?
Nope. Let's get him cleared.
For him?
Do you need an ambulance here?
I thought I was going to have him checked out by the
No.
ambulance. and then-
So we'll just get him cleared at 200. Let's get out of this neighborhood. We don't need to all be here.
That's what
Unless you
El Bob
disagree with
just
that.
said, unless we need 11 units over there, let's bring some units.
Okay.
Somebody taking
So-
pictures of you yet?
All right.
Do you have your phone on you?
Go back.
What do you start?
Do you want an ambulance here?
No, we can just go 200.
195. Can you cancel the bus here? Direct them to 200 for the eval, and then eval on 213 for a dog bite. Will you transport? You're on HV.
Yeah.
Whose car is this? Okay. Let's swap dude into your car. And will you transport to 200? And I'll come and write the paper on him so that way you can get back on HV.
Sounds good.
Does that work? Yep. Thanks, bud.
Yeah, I have a liberal or
I've got one in my car. Son,
Ooh, go for the front.
go for the chop.
Here, I'm going to get blood all over it. Yeah.
You want me to just take him on your phone?
So we'll take him on obstructing and resisting.
Wait.
Yeah. He was like, nope, he was coming for you. So
Yeah,
that ain't gonna
well,
happen.
and that's I
tried dumping the dude to the ground,
I saw it.
but he yanked away, and then I'm like, get on the ground, and he goes, no, and he goes like this. I'm like, no,
well, that's
we're not doing that.
I was worried about you guys with him.
And then I saw him. So I went to go grab her.
No,
So,
that worked out. You're good though?
Okay, I'll
Yeah, I was just worried about like when that whole thing went down. They said there were no marks, so.
your neck?
A little bit again.
Well,
Sorry about your glasses, dude.
Oh, dude, it's all good. Just, did you see when the dog came down?
Saw that.
Like, oh my God.
that dude is not willing to do a statement. He said that this guy was trying to, whatever guy that he took because he was trying to restrain his dog, and then the officer went crazy on him.
Oh, good.
So his name's John. He lives in that apartment.
All right,
That's
but he
all.
wasn't willing to make a statement. Okay, well, we got it all on camera. So
no, he was mad because we
story here.
We're like, yeah, we can. We're trying to like mellow him out. So that wasn't working.
Started getting upset, and that's where I'm like, what exactly what just happened? I'm like, no, it is what it is.
So, okay.
Your cell phone? You want your cell phone to go with you? Can I find it? Yes or no?
I don't know where it is.
Do you have probes in them?
No, I took the probes out. These are just the wires. We can take the wires off of them.
Thank you.
Probes are out.
See if I see
Your
cell phone laying out, I'll grab it for you.
Your cubby's hat is down on your porch.
Thank you, sir.
Do you need anything else?
He's just gonna look for my phone. And That's all I need.
So we have your wallet. That was in your back pocket. We're not going to take your lighters with you. Those were in there also.
That's fine.
You're good with your wallet?
It's fine.
Okay.
I just want to make sure my phone's not outside.
You have 2 dogs inside. Is there anybody else going to come home tonight to care for the dogs?
My wife, I hope.
What time's she coming
I
home?
don't know, soon.
Okay.
She doesn't have a key.
Okay. And then lastly, your Jack Russell, the one that was outside, bit 2 officers.
Oh,
Is
I was
it current?
trying to help you guys. Yes, he is.
He's current on
I
all
have
rabies
registry.
and stuff?
Yes, he has a micro. He's chipped.
That's all I want to
He's
know.
current with
Make
his
sure I don't need
rabies.
to get one of my
No,
officers
sir.
like started on a rabies.
My wife has the scan chip in her wallet,
Okay. Okay. Awesome.
and he's got a microchip in him as well.
Okay. Okay.
But yeah, he's current.
I
And
am.
I'm sorry. I was trying to stop my dog from going nuts like that, and I didn't want him to bite anybody.
What is your name?
My name's John Wayne.
John.
Yes,
Okay.
sir.
So I'm not going to ask you any questions, but I want to tell you my perspective. And I know you don't remember it, but we all have body-worn cameras.
Yeah.
You started yelling at the officer, telling that he can't towards that officer.
No, I
That
was
is-
going towards my dog. I promise you.
But here's
I
John.
promise
John.
you. I would never go after you
John,
guys.
listen.
Okay, you guys serve and protect. Listen to me, please.
Can you let me speak, and then I'll give you an opportunity? So you're yelling at a that officer.
It makes it look bad.
And I push you back, and you said no.
I'm going after my dog.
I understand that, but
And I
you're yelling
apologize.
at us. So that's what happened here. And
I'm
if
just-
I tell you to get on the ground and you
I did.
refuse, no, you didn't. I tased you and you fell
You
to the
did.
ground.
You're right. You're right.
So I told you
You're
like
right.
3 times to get on
You're
the
right.
ground.
You're
You
right.
gotta comply, man.
I wasn't threatening you guys, though. I was looking out for the safety of you guys and my dog.
Look.
I swear to God. I
Look,
didn't
I'm
do it. I
a
didn't
dog
see
guy.
that, though,
I'll
sir.
take care of your dog.
I didn't see that,
Okay.
sir. I apologize. Okay.
Regardless if you saw it or not, we
I know.
can't have you not listen to us.
I know.
Okay,
I know.
man.
It was frustrating. Cop.
There was only one.
Why did you bring a female? There was 3 officers here. You, your son, the trainee, and the guy that was training
Right,
them.
so there was to be. Sometimes we don't get to pick and choose the cops that come.
Okay. That's fair. Fair answer.
12% of our agency is females, which is higher than national average.
Fair answer.
We didn't have one coming here today, okay?
I respect that.
All right, sir. So you're going to be booked in. I will be there with you, and I'll explain everything that's going on throughout the circumstance. I know it's a cruddy circumstance, but it could have been a lot worse,
wasn't
okay?
going after you guys. I wouldn't do that.
Okay.
Look at my record, for Christ's sakes.
And I appreciate that, John. Okay? Watch your head getting in here. Jack Russell.
Can we just get there fast? Because
I'll do what I can for you.
my
Have a seat,
hands, I have super bad hands.
I'll do what I can
You guys
for
think
you.
I'm full of shit?
Did
I
we
had
check
surgery
his cuffs?
twice on one hand and
Turn around. Let's just make sure your cuffs are good. So here's the deal.
man. Your hooks, right?
Yep. So I can get a finger underneath that one and a finger underneath that one. So per our policy, they are perfect. We'll get you out of them quick, okay? Have a seat, John. Watch your head. I'll meet you there, Eric. He's calmed down. I explained everything. He figured it out. So I'll meet you there. Yeah, for his clearance on for the taser. What's up, gents? How are you?
Never better. Another day paradise, right?
There you go.
That concludes the footage, showing how the officer managed the situation from the initial contact through to the individual being placed in the patrol vehicle. Understanding police procedures and how these incidents are handled in the field is important for a clearer perspective on such events. I hope you found this analysis insightful. Please let me know your thoughts in the comments section below. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more updates. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.